I'm living my mermaid fantasy. Okay.
I've been loving everything you are. Your eyes alone.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Meghan Victoria. So today I'm like really freaking sick, but we gotta glam up. So we're basically gonna do this whole look. I'm kind of in love with how it turned out. I had no idea really what we were gonna do. I just know I wanted to like play with blue, want to be kind of mermaidy. This is what we got. I'm really happy. We're playing with new products. The lighting may change throughout the video because, like, you know, the way the sun sets is not so great. But if you'd like to see how we get this look, then please keep on watching. And without further ado, grab a drink, grab a coffee, and let's get to it. We're just gonna get started because we're here. I'm very excited. I'm excited everyone's here. I've been live forever. I feel a little awkward on camera. That's how long it has been. Because usually I'm like, meh, 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 meh. I'm also really sick. But like, we're just gonna move past that. Okay, so today I want to do like a mermaid kind of vibe. I just want to be like bronzy and glowy as always. Literally, like, that's no surprise to anyone. But then just like an added bit of like, I got some blue stuff in the mail, so I want to play with some blue. I think that'd be fun. But yeah, so let's just start. I think we're gonna start with eyes. Hello, hello, hello. Yay, it's all my regular people and happiness. All right, let's blend this out. So, well, we have transition shades. We need something really soft, probably is the transition. So I think we need, yes, we need our like little, you know, whatever this guy is called. What is this called again? The Sigma Warm Neutrals palette. Okay, so let's take a little bit of Toasty and we're going to pop that in the crease. So let's take this shade Splurge from the Pure palette, guys. I love this palette. But it's just a little deeper and a greenier bronze. I'm gonna work that in the crease. Because I've been so sick, all I keep doing is like working and napping, working and napping. So I had 2 jobs today. And then I got back and then it was like, and nap. And then I actually can't nap because it's hot and uncomfortable. So I was kind of just like laying there relaxing. Then a freaking bug flew in my ear and I was like, oh hell no, now we're awake. And so now we're here. Alright, I'm going to go into the Epic shade. It's the brown. It doesn't have any purple to it. It's just like a true. Then maybe just like, I like to kind of keep the tones. So a little bit back in the Splurge. And then, I forgot how good this brush is. I think this is the E25 from Sigma. Yeah, E25. It's such a good brush. Give that all a nice blend. That's such a nice creamy looking transition-y area. It's looking very nice. Okay, so then I'm kind of like, I kind of just want to put the blue all over the eyelid. Like, don't you think that's a good idea? I think it's a good idea. And then maybe what we'll do, actually, let's do something a little, ooh, that to that to that. Okay, yes, we're gonna do, okay, I'm using the concealer. We're gonna carve out the crease area. And just a little trick for this is you can apply it pretty messy and then do this really crazy face, but it'll show exactly where to put your concealer. That was a really crazy face. Alright, I'm just gonna take a little black eyeshadow and I'm taking it on a smaller brush when I get a little bit more detailed. And just run that. Alright, and I'm just taking that E25. We're just blending over kind of that black area. I'm so gross. I've been vlogging this whole weekend and it has been so freaking hard. And I'm like, my Montreal vlog, I really tried to make it like lovely and beautiful, and then this vlog is just gonna be like, I don't even know. I was like, I'm sick, I'm too lazy to set up pretty shots and do pretty things. So this vlog is gonna be like, this is what my life looks like legit. This is really what it looks like. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take this highlighter shade. Oh yeah, I gotta show you guys too. And we're gonna take that, I'm gonna just pop that on the inner corner, but I'm gonna get that like yellowy gold because it's a nice like it's a nice warm gold. More coffee. I'm gonna take this blue. So excited about it. Actually, you know what we should do? We should probably take a little of the penny thing and lay this down kind of as a base. And then I'll just like blend it out with my finger. Do this. So now that we've laid down the blue base, let's take some of the eyeshadow. Blue. I'm so excited. Hi! I miss it too, in the way that I miss talking to everyone and being here. I'm like, oh, that's pretty. I know, I'm so happy to be doing a live video. And I've been vlogging all weekend, and I've been working, and I'm so sick. And last night I was like, I can go to 2 parties. Like, I don't know. Every time I like get sick, I want to prove to myself that I'm fine, and so I do way more than I really should. This is so pretty though. Oh my god, I love this. This blue is so good. Love this. So what I'm gonna do is I want to get a little bit of a pinky kind of tone to like soften the yellow. So I'll grab that pink and I'll just apply that on top. Ooh, ooh, that color. Ooh, that's a good color. Oh, it's turning like rose gold. Oh, that's so pretty. Man, I wish you guys could see this stuff in person. Just like, damn, this is so good. This is so pretty. Oh yeah, I love it. Oh my god, that like turned out so nicely though. I'm super happy with that. I'm gonna take a little bit of that blue and we'll just go back and forth. Just kind of blend the two together. I never do a cut crease. This is fun. There's something in my eye and it's driving me insane. Okay, so we're gonna take this like teal blue and pop that in the like outery corner. I'm gonna take a little bit of that navy. Oh yes. Oh, that's so good. I'm gonna bring that navy color kind of like up into the cut crease, like make it part of it. Oh my god, guys, this looks so freaking cute. And I'll just drag that navy again. Oh my god, my parents, yes, I party with my parents all the time. They're the best. And their friends are the best, and they buy the good wine and like the good cheeses, and it's like so worth it. Oh, I forgot, I have a powdery thing. Okay, what does this look like? I don't know. This is like a powder. Whoa, that's intense. Okay, we can put a little bit of this. I don't know how much. I know my brain's not here either. It's so hard. I'm like, I don't know what I'm saying. This is a very bright blue, but we can put like a little bit, like, just to like amp it up. Oh god, that's so freaking pretty. Oh my god, I wasn't prepared for that. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Oh my god, yes. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna just take this blue again, and we're gonna just kind of go back and blend that bright blue with the lighter blue. I think that's probably enough, like eyeliner and eyeshadow and stuff. I guess I could probably just put maybe like a crease or a highlighting color or something. So we'll go just into Private Party. That's always a good one. Just run a highlighty brown color. And then I'll take the big brush. And then I'll go back and I'll take that like highlighty shade again. And I'm just gonna pop that just to kind of give a little bit something. Okay, I want to just make sure that because we added that navy, it really kind of added some shimmer to our crease. So I'm just gonna go with the matte black. Just make sure there's that nice differentiation. My birthday was freaking wild. It was so much fun. I had the best night ever, but I really let loose. And I think we already know that like I get pretty crazy when I drink. I'm actually crazy all the time though. So I just love to dance. I love to have fun. And I'm like editing this vlog and I'm like, I'm gonna have to make a disclaimer for this video. Cause like I'm literally in my living room, upside down on my couch, twerking on the walls. And like that's very normal for me, but I have not put that on the internet before. So I'm like, we need to figure this out. Let's put on our faces. Oh, I'm so excited for this part. I'm just so freaking red and gross and I'm not about it. I just want to be all glowy and magical. We're going pretty full coverage today because why not? I'm not really worrying about foundation like for my under eye area because I'm gonna get that with concealer. Okay, so you've Pearl Salmon Concealer. It's so funny. I hated this for so long and now I actually like love it so much. Then we'll take the lighter concealer and I just like to kind of pop that like really on the high points just so I can really kind of lift them cheekbones. All right, I'm feeling nice and like brightened. Oh my God, yes. I'm feeling insta-glammy. All right. Oh my God, I can like feel how like hot it is because my foundation is so creamy going on. I'm like, oh my God, that is like melting. Okay. All right, we'll blend this guy in. I don't know if I've like raved about this product to you guys yet, but this palette from Pure is literally life. The bronzer shade is unreal. It's so good. I'm so like in love with it. Okay, we'll just blend that in. I can apply it like really messy and then I like to like clean it up with powder almost. So speaking of, I'm gonna just take some RCMA, dump this on the table. Classy. Then we'll just Melush. Lightly cut the contour. I'm just taking the leftover powder on the sponge and setting the under eyes. And then basically the center of the face. God, I feel like a drag queen and I love it. So, chiseled. I'm gonna take the Pure bronzer. I'm literally so in love with this. It's insane because it's like, watch. It's just so shimmery and glowy and majestic. And I just freaking love it. I'll take that down the neck. We'll stick to the same palette. Actually, we're gonna layer highlighters. I want to glow. No. I had a new product. Right, we're using this Wet n Wild highlighter. Okay. Gotta open it up. Oh my God, this is gonna drive me crazy. You need to open. I can't do this. I have no patience, man. Okay. Stab, stab, stab. You guys should see when I open packages. Oh my God, it is like World War III. I'm just like I look like the Revenant, like the freaking bear, like just getting in there. Okay. Oh, I love Play-Doh's Closet. Okay. Oh my God, look at this highlighter. Stop it. Oh my God, it's like so gold, but it's like a really nice light gold. I'm not ready. Like I'm excited, but I'm not ready. Oh yeah, that's, oh my God, that's, oh, that sits on the skin so nicely. Oh, stop. Oh my God, yes. Yes, oh my God. That sits on this skin so nicely. It is, it just says Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. I'm gonna, oh my God, that, it really does sit on the skin nicely. Like it looks extremely, I hate saying natural, but like it doesn't look chunky. Like I know some highlighters can look like glittery and stuff on the skin. This one just like sits so nicely. I'm a mermaid. That looks gorgeous. And I'm just gonna kind of dust away this powder, which basically means just tapping it in the skin. I think it's in my room. When your brush betrays you, this is betrayal. Okay, just. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna go get my drink because you know what time it is. I'm as if summertime. Okay, I'm gonna pour it in this glass. And we're just gonna pretend that there's no coffee residue in it. It smells like summer! So, I'm just using my Cabral. Nice. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We're getting kicked off in 1 minute and 13 seconds. We have enough time to set the brows. I'm just going over my liner to make sure it's all smooth because you know I have like totally messed around with like so much freaking glue. It's ridiculous. And we'll do one more coat of mascara because I want everything comfy while my lash is not driving me insane all day. You know, we want to feel good, all that good stuff. This highlighter is really pretty. Now, you're gonna think I'm insane, but it's like naturally pretty. We need to just amp it up, like just like a little bit, but also a lot of it. So let's just go. This is my secret to like crazy highlighter, this Galani highlighter. Like it's just like, watch, ready? It just will like amp up any highlighter you have. So you gotta highlight the highlight. So you know, you got like a poppin' cheekbone, then you gotta like, yes. But also I kind of scare people because I'm like literally like doing, you can't even see, but I got like my leg up and I'm like dancing. I'm like, yeah. I'm gonna pop my hip. I have such old lady hips, it's so bad. Oh my god, I really did pop my hip. Okay, let's do the under eyes. So for the under eyes, let's just go like really blue. Let's just do it. Of course, let's do it. So let's use a little bit. I'm just gonna take that blue, pop it right under here. Like so. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, na, 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 na. I don't know if I have haters. I don't know. Like, I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know, it's possible. But like, okay, so I always say like I very much live for myself, and that's not even like a very purposeful thing, like fuck everyone else, blah blah blah. It's like I just like, my brain, like being ADHD, like I don't think too far ahead. So I'm very much like in the moment. So it's like if I want to do something, I just do it, and then I don't really think of the consequences. So I'm not really ever thinking how people perceive me or think about me, because I'm just like, I just forget to think about how other people perceive me. I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah, I just try and be like fun and happy. Like that is what I want to be known for. Thank you. My necklace is a rose quartz, and I have a rose quartz, and rose quartz is like external love, and moonstone's like internal love, like love for yourself. So when I wear both of them, it's kind of like love for myself and love for others, and I think it's like a really good combo. I like it a lot. But yeah, okay, we're almost done. I love my rose quartz. Okay, I love the eyes. So I basically just added like a cream eyeliner just to like finish all off. A lip, something kind of peachy. I feel like I have the shade Aquarius, I think it's called. Yes, that one. See, I always drink after I've done the eyeliner. Like, you gotta think about these things, you know? Okay, let's go. Okay, so I feel like this is our makeup. So maybe a little tiny bit more powder, just because it is hot as balls right now. We look super chiseled. Oh my god, I actually love. I'm so happy how today's look turned out. Oh my god, yes. I just put so much on just basically because it's freaking hot out, and then I like to just tap my setting spray in. So there we have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you had fun getting glam with me. Yo, why did I not highlight my shoulders yet? Okay, yo, no. ADHD here, but like, we gotta do this. We're doing this in the outro. It's fine, whatever. We gotta like glam up. I'm actually holding my shirt because like if I don't, I'm gonna flash y'all. But it's all good. That's so much better. Now we can outro. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave any comments, questions, and stars in the down bar below, and I'll see you in my next video. I really hope you enjoyed this look because it's actually like so freaking bomb, so I really hope you did. Okay.